Interesting. So we're putting our hands on older women now in the church. Okay.
Let's get it. I came from where they lie to live. Now I live by what he did. Ain't no trink and twisted script. Ain't no click gon' make me switch. I done seen pastors chase the fame. Pope his photo just to entertain. But I stay low, I stay clean. Bible low, and believe right, believe God. What do the scriptures say? Ain't no flex and truth, no fraud. What do the scriptures say? I don't play with lies, I war. What do the scriptures say? If it ain't word, I close that door. What do the scriptures say?
What's up, everybody? I am your boy, Pastor Rod, and this is What Do the Scriptures Say? Check it out. If this is your first time here, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to like this video so YouTube can push it in the algorithm. And then I need you to share this video. And then I need you to come on over here, hit that subscribe button, and become a part of our WDTSS family. Why? Because this is one of the only places where it's not about my opinion, it's not about your opinion, and it's not about your lying pastor's opinion. Ladies and gentlemen, I am bold, I'm set apart, unapologetic. I can assure you it's all about what do the scriptures say. One thing that a man should never do, and that is put his hands on a woman. Period. You don't do that. But you definitely wouldn't expect a pastor to do it, right? This is why people don't come to church. This is why people look at the church and laugh, because of goofy people like this guy we are about to see. So apparently there was an altercation. The lady, bless her heart, the older lady, she was complaining something about the offering plate. Who knows? Maybe that old lying sap-sucking liar was stealing money and she was calling that old heathen out. I don't know. But we're going to see he's going to get so upset that he's going to put his hands on her. Even if she put her hands on him first, that is not justification. Let's watch this and then we're going to talk about it.
What do the scriptures say?
This is ridiculous. No, this is disrespect.
That's why I tell you what I don't care. I am not I am not forgiven. That's all I know. That's why I'm not doing money. I was gonna get 10,000 to this young man. And I am not giving that guy. Half away. You can't send me to hell. You are not God.
So yeah, the Jamaican accent is very strong. All I hear, man, bless their heart. But we can see that the lady, the elderly lady, is very upset. Something about an offering, something about money, and y'all know how y'all is over your money. Amen, amen. But the pastor, I guess that's the pastor. What is he doing? You don't want, listen, a real man ain't gonna sit there and argue with the woman. Nope. Nope. You don't argue with a woman. You tell her whatever the situation is, say, hey, can we go? Can you go? Blah, blah, blah. And you leave it alone. If you have to get somebody to escort or call the police to get her, okay. But to sit there and now finna go back and forth with this elderly lady, that just ain't cool. That's not cool. Let's continue to watch it and see what happens.
Yes,
I don't respect you. I respect you.
oh my God, 911, Jesus Christ, oh my God, what is happening? What is happening? Oh my God! Stop! We gotta call us! Call 911! Please! Call 911! This is abuse! Stop! Hey! Put on the... This is serious! Just for that more respect.
I don't get it. How, first off, who's this man holding him by the arm like that? He holding him old like he's holding him like a marshmallow or something. I could tell that's a soft hold just from looking at this video. Where the men at? See, let me tell you something. If that would have been me, if I would have saw him doing that elderly lady like that, I'm telling y'all now, you seen that table behind him? I would have just ran in, I would have scooped him up, and I would have slammed him on the table, trying to crack every bone in his back. Absolutely. Because he was wrong. You don't put your hands on no elderly lady. I don't care what she did to you. You are a coward. That man's a whole coward. And then this man right here holding his arm, he weak. He look like he ready. He look like if you just blow on him, he gonna fall over. Where the men at in these churches today?
You started it. I have witnesses. You started it. I'm going to invite you. No, I invite you. I invite you. Tell him not blind here. Let me invite him. How about this? How about this? Right. Every time you open your mouth, because what? When I live in temple, pastor, you know what? No.
You know what?
Listen, let's go and she will get it, okay?
She needs to go.
That's it. This is the last of it. She did.
Then he want to sit there with his hand on his hip looking like old wimp. And I don't know if she broke her finger or whatever, but, you know, he'll feel bad if she go home, get her sons or grandsons, and they come and they mop that little hole in the wall. Literally, I know y'all saw the hole in that roof, and they come in there and mop the floor with that old coward of a pastor. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bible is very clear. A pastor must be temperate. He must be self-controlled, not quick to anger. This coward, he don't meet those qualifications. Listen, y'all, let me know what you think in the comments, or I want to know what you think in the comment section. Remember, y'all, don't believe Rod, believe God. What do the scriptures say?
What do the scriptures say? Ain't no flexing, truth, no fraud. What do the scriptures say?